Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to take a look at background knowledge. And so what background knowledge entails of is making sure that your audience fully understands the problem that you are trying to come up with a solution for. And it's your job to help build their background knowledge. So from the handout for today, if you want to go ahead and go through it and read aloud as a class the two different bolded parts for what they've added for background knowledge to their essays, that would be great. And then what your duty is today is kind of looking at your first paragraph. Do you need to add in some background knowledge, change some things? What exactly do you need to do? And after you have looked at your first paragraph and kind of rewritten it if necessary, then just continuing on writing your paper. And then when we have class again, I will go over some different setup things with you. But that is your goal for today, is rewriting your first paragraph to make sure you have adequate background knowledge, and then just continuing to work on your essay.